No feedback rows exist yet, so target medium is unknown. I am accepting the cookie banner first, then focusing the game search field and typing a strong broad information first guess. I will inspect the drop-down before selecting the exact row and clicking the guess button. Type card is red. Guess medium was movie for Inception, so target medium equals TV. Year is farther than 2 years with arrow up, so the target is newer than 2010. Rating is within 0.5 with arrow up, so the target rating is higher than 8.8. Genres action, adventure, and sci-fi are gray with no overlap. Actors Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, and Elliot Page show no overlap, and director Christopher Nolan shows no overlap. Constraints, TV series, newer than 2010, rating above 8.8 but close, not action, adventure, sci-fi, and not involving those listed Inception people. Type card is red for Inception, a movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year is farther with arrow up, so target is newer than 2010. Rating is within 0.5 with arrow up, so target is higher than 8.8. No overlap is shown for action, adventure, sci-fi, Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Elliot Page, or Christopher Nolan. I will guess Chernobyl because it is a newer high-rated TV series without those genres or people, and this batch selects it then clicks the required guess button. Nice, the answer was Chernobyl, solved in 2 guesses. The big breakthrough was the first feedback showing the target was a TV series newer than 2010 with an even higher rating, which pointed straight toward a prestige 2019 series rated 9.3.